Greetings. This guided meditation is to focus on the affirmations on the audiobook How to Live Life and Love It by Genevieve Berend. First of all, lie or sit down comfortably. Relax your body and take 3 to 4 deep breaths. In through your nose and out from your mouth, leaving at least 4 seconds between each action. Remain in the present moment and focus on your breath. See a bright light from above streaming down through the crown of your head, illuminating your body, but more intense around your third eye and heart chakra. See this light brightly illuminate your whole body. Feel love and peace and joy and happiness. Now gently close your eyes. Now that you are relaxed, we will start the affirmations. You can just listen to my voice, or you can listen and repeat after me. My mind is a center of divine operation. I am life. I am youth, eternal youth. Spirit of God, I am grateful to you for the abundance that is mine now. Father, I thank Thee for the conscious knowledge that all my good comes from Thee only, and that I no longer look to man as the source of my supply. God is my ever-present supply, and large sums of money come to me quickly, under grace, and in perfect ways. So too bountifully supply my every need and to spare. I am intelligent, loving spirit, living in creative love and power. In Him do I live and move and have my whole being. I am a specialized part of God's own self-manifestation. God is specialized in me. Therefore, I am perfect harmony. I am direct knowledge of all truth. I am perfect intuition. I am spiritual perception at its fullness. There is but one wisdom. Therefore, I am perfect wisdom. My mind is a center of divine operation. Therefore, I am always thinking good thoughts, speaking only constructive words. Time is eternal. God is the only giver. His loving intelligence is continually working in and through me. Hence, I am ever working correctly. I am thinking the right thoughts in the right way at the right time towards the right results. God's work in and through me is always well done. I am specialized spirit. I am always receiving rich, powerful inspirations from the great universal parent spirit. Divine intelligence is always thinking new, fresh, clear ideas through me, ones far beyond any I have ever known before. My prayers are the outflow of the great Oversoul of the universe. They go forth in His name, and always they accomplish that for which I send them. God is glorifying Himself in and through me now. My mind is a center of divine operation. 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 My mind is a center of divine operation.